Ooh,
Wow.
we have to watch this series also.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh
my
wow.
god. So many VFX, guys.
Hey
Hey guys,
guys,
we are
we're back again
back.
with another video, and this time it is
Let's go.
Encantadia Chronicles
Chronicles.
of Sangre.
Sangre
Sangre
Bang
Bayong Yugto
Bang
teaser.
Yugto
It's
teaser.
a 1 minute video. Already
Okay.
looks kind of like a Mesopotamia kind of vibe,
Yeah.
like those old civilization kind of vibe
Yeah.
with the starting. Let's see it.
Mahabang panahon ang
They
hihintayin ng
can
mga
travel
tagaikanta
long
dyan
time
bago
before
dumating
the
ang
new
bagong
savior
tagapagligtas.
arrives. Oh
Guys.
wow, it's like those kind of movies, like not movies, those kind of series where there are supernatural beings in the planet. They
Okay.
creates the whole situation world, kind of like magical kind of stuff,
Yeah.
before the new savior arrives.
Ang sanggol na matagal
The
na wala
long
ay
lost
nag-iisang
baby has
beses.
become a
Oh my
queen.
god.
Oh wow, wow, she looks so pretty
Yeah,
and
it's a
so
like she's
dangerous.
just like Snow White.
No, not Snow White.
What?
Frozen.
Okay. Frozen. Snow White different character.
Frozen.
Okay.
Elsa.
Elsa. She's
Yeah.
just like that.
Yeah. Snow White is another character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's play.
Oh wow, she's so
Oh my
dangerous.
god.
Oh wow,
She's
this is oh my god. Oh
oh,
my
there is a
god.
magical
Wow,
power
yeah.
also.
Like
It's
that's what I talk, like I was speaking about, like there is so much magical powers going on
yeah,
and things like that. I love those kind of things. I always wish I could have some powers, I
magical
guess,
power.
so that I
But
can
you
rob a
got only one
bank.
power. You got the powerful sunglasses, you know?
Yeah, I know. I know.
It's okay.
I always wanted to have some power so that even if I'm not rich, I can rob a bank without any consequences.
What?
Yeah.
What she's talking about? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's out of the topic, man. Don't do
No,
it.
no. Just think you have a magical power, just like being invisible, or
I just
nobody would remember. You snap and somebody will forget, like people will forget that you were ever there. Just think about it's alibi. Always there's an alibi for you, like yeah, she was there or she wasn't there, kind of. Just think, and you know like
that's
just
crazy, man.
that's crazy. You are not poor anymore. You
I
have a lot
never
of
had guts to have this kind of strong intuition or any kind of. In my dream, I never thought of
in
any
my
power.
dreams. I was when just a story, when I was in school, like in 7th grade or something. One day I slept through the night and I saw a dream. In that dream, our school was being teared down by a lot of zombies. I don't know where they came from, I don't know what they were doing there, and I single-handedly, bravely, you know s- help the students to be in the safe place
Wow.
and killed those zombies, kind of,
Wow.
to make them go away for a minute or so. And then I also drove a
I don't
car.
know what
I don't know, I did that. I also drove a
she
car.
told me earlier about this story, but
I did that in my dream. Okay, so yeah, it is kind of, you do understand how much courage I have. If I had superpowers, I would have done that. I would have robbed the bank for
yeah,
sure, for sure. But without any powers, you do understand, I'm literally not able to do by law, so no, I won't do that. So yeah,
let's play.
yeah, still I'm poor.
Maria Gitera ay nakapugli.
Wow. Oh,
Oh
damn.
my god.
Damn.
Kailangan munang
Ooh.
tingnan ang kasamaan.
Wow.
We have to watch this series also.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh
my
wow.
god.
Hanggang sa
So
dumating
many
ang
VFX,
pagtatapos.
guys.
Like-
It's insane. Just like the Avengers,
I
you know?
love the VFX because it's working
Yeah.
nicely. Yeah, it's
It's-
smooth.
Smooth, yeah.
It's smooth.
And
And
also
al-
it got really good storyline.
Yeah, also the fact that it's always good versus the evil.
Yeah, it's
And
too good to watch.
and
Look at this.
and honestly,
Look at this
yeah, I did watch that.
shots,
I did watch
guys.
that.
sa
I did.
Oh my god. He got green and she got yellow.
Yeah.
Magical powers. Oh man.
kailangan
Wow.
Ooh, look at this. She can change into some,
Anything.
yeah.
at pamumuno ng bagong
Wow.
reyna.
No. Just for a fact, this kind of movies always have the central theme of good versus evil.
Yeah.
Right. So, being a gray character in this whole world, we are not even in this series also.
Yeah.
You will not see exact white characters or exact black
Black
characters.
characters.
There are all gray characters, and justifying someone justifying their work as good but being portrayed as evil, and some people are just being portrayed as evil but they're doing good. It's kind of like a very territorial scenario where you just have to figure out if they're good character, they're doing good or bad. It's like all of them are gray. Some are different, some are like less grayer and than others, and some are like more leaned towards the black. Nobody is like white at this point, and nobody is black at
Black.
this point, because nobody can be black. Then you are not a human being, like not even human, not even a person. You're just nothing. You're just a charcoal if you're completely black. Yeah, you're just a charcoal. That's fine.
As a human being.
But as a
I'm not
person-
talking about the colors.
But
She's
as a
not talking
person,
about the colors.
yeah, as a person, you can't be like exact black or white character, because that's
Yeah.
not possible, because at some point you had to have some white characteristics and some
Yeah.
blacks.
Black
So
characteristics.
these are like you more lean towards white or you more lean towards the black. It's kind of that scenario, that spectacle, or that.
Can lead to this kind of
Yeah,
situation.
these are like
I
always
think
good
this
versus
series
evil.
has no that kind of situation.
Ang ating
All
It's
of the
all of-
series will have like these kind of series where the central theme is good versus evil.
Yeah.
They always have this kind of situation. It's necessary.
Yeah.
And if you want to watch similar things like this one, I have a suggestion for you. It's a Chinese drama named
Okay.
The Untamed. If you want to watch it,
Okay, you talk. You
yeah,
talked about it
yeah, it
earlier.
is a really, really nice, really good, very good web series, Chinese drama. I loved it, personally speaking. So if you want to watch it, you can watch it, and you will notice a lot of times that whatever I am saying is kind of correct.
nakapagligtas.
And I think in this case as well, it is.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow, the way they designed the way they designed their set and everything.
love the dresses, man.
I love the
This-
dresses. I love the backgrounds. The way
Yeah.
they incorporated their set, because these
Yeah.
are not real, right? So
Yeah.
they have to make it up for it. Like they have to make a set for everything. So the way they made those setups is really
Really good.
commendable, honestly, because the way they also used color tones like warm tone and cool tone, it's
Yeah.
really working for them, honestly, at this point. So
Ooh.
Sangre.
Okay,
It is
it's
Sangre.
actually. Okay.
The name is Sangre.
Sangre. Okay, guys, love this. What a show.
I love this. The teaser waiting
Yeah.
for the trailer
Trailer.
to release. It can take.
And hope we'll
time.
react on that.
Yeah, we
also.
will react on that as well, because I'm kind of hooked towards it. And
Yeah.
honestly, at this point in our mind, we forget a lot of things. So I need to keep remembering this, that we need to watch it, because
Yeah.
I am kind of hooked to it. And this kind of
We're
series.
currently watching Modern Family.
Oh well.
It's an old show, but it's classic,
Well,
I am also. Firstly, I thought, let's watch. Don't watch. It's like some kind of not watching or watching. What can I say about it? It's more like, let's watch a series.
something that to
Something
keep
that
up.
to keep
Honestly, at
the
this
mind.
point of life, I'm kind of growing situation or a condition where I don't like violence. It's kind
Yeah,
of
me
giving
too.
me panic attacks and things like that. So I'm avoiding violence as much as possible in my life while watching something. Like
Yeah,
violence is a big no 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 for me,
me too.
because
I used
I
to watch
kind of, my heart races very fast when a
yeah,
lot of like in those violent series. My
yeah,
heart races fast. I kind of breathe through my mouth,
I
and
know.
like it's a lot of situation which I don't like, honestly, to be exact. At some point I did like those like kind of terrifying situations, but at this point
Yeah,
I just want to be happy.
yeah,
I just want to be happy.
me too.
Violence is fine at some point, but in every second violence, it's not for me. It's not my
Me
cup of
too.
tea at this point. So I just want to stay happy and feel happy. When I'm watching something, I just want to know that it is gonna be happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.